29-point lead, 10 minutes to go. Unless something cataclysmic happens, atin na ang pilak na ito. The leading scorer of Taiwan with the leather, that's Chen Wei-ju. Forced to give it up. Shot clock is at 9.
Nice defense here by Gilas Pilipinas. I'm sure Coach Tab again reminding them to sa timeout. As you see a Hail Mary shot here. Uy,
Uy.
ito mas hindi lang Hail Mary yan. Okay. So yan, Our Father, ano na ginawa niya.
Nag-Apostles, isang buong rosaryo. Apostles
Oo.
Creed, Hail Holy Queen.
Tama.
Pero hindi pa rin siya pinagbigyan.
Ngayon,
That's the first time I've ever seen something like
ang
that.
parusa, kailangan siya kumuha niyan.
Sampa ka doon, sirs.
Pero ano, mukhang yun lang talagang tinarget niya eh. Hindi naman siya tumingin sa ring eh. Tingnan mo ha. O, pag ano, yun talaga tinarget niya. Scoreboard. Yung ano. Oh.
Pag na-shoot yun, ilan?
Uy,
Intal.
gandang pasa naman.
Oo nga. Very sneaky. Papunta kay Rosario. Mintis nga lang. Just over 9 minutes remaining in this game. Hindi na pinulot yung bola.
Oo nga, no? May ano.
Sana may bumato ulit doon. One more time.
Oo, ba? Talagang na-inlove sila dito. Baka oh, kita mo?
Pasok!
Oo.
Bang!
At pagkatapos yan, ano siya sa Team E.
Mula sa Team B na
Wala
Team
sa-
E ka.
Team E.
Really, kalaban mo prep. Hindi ka maibabalansin ng goal support. May bola sa ibabaw.
Oo nga eh.
Kasalanan naman nila, okay lang. Ano? Lin Chi Wei at the line goes 2 for 2. Gilas on the attack. Daan po natin, 17 days from now, FIBA Asia Championships na. 12-man lineup ang
Lapit
susunod
na,
na
no?
magiging debate dito.
Oo.
Sino ang dapat nasa final 12-man lineup? We put you, Coach Richard, on the spot.
Hindi naman ako yung coach eh. Una ko yung
Playing
paspat dyan.
safe. Magbigay ka na lang ng 5 na dapat nandoon.
Terence Romeo.
Yan,
Okay. Alvin Abueva.
yan.
Ha? Andre Blatch.
Safe na safe yung tatlo mo eh. Ako, Rani Del Dio Campo,
Oo.
pang-apat doon.
Jason Castro.
Safe na 5.
Oh. Kaya nga, siyempre.
82-55. How hard is it kung tayo hindi na siya masyado makakonsentrate sa game? Ito mga to, they still have 8.5 minutes plus of
Oh,
work
yeah,
to
but
do.
you can see how they're defending right now. They're still talking. They're staying low. So talaga engaged pa rin sila although they allowed that miscommunication on that ball screen na nangyari. Pero yun ang kailangan, yun ang concern ng coaching staff, sila coach staff, you know, how you communicate yung team defense, not only about individual defense, but yung team defense ng ating kupunan.
Taipei gets that leather, goes out on the run. Rosser sasabay. Saan ka pupunta? Nice fancy pass and then binalik kay Intal. Reset ang atake rito ng Gilas Pilipinas. Intal, nabutata kanina, gustong bumawi, lalabas kay Tao Tua. Finally, para kay Mo, he's been trying that all week
Oo
long.
nga, ganyan sa warm-up, no? Hindi pa tayo on air. Nakikita ko siyang nag-a-attempt rin ng mga 3-point shots na yan. May 12 points na siya.
12 puntos, another solid outing para dito kay Mo Tao Tua. Di makabawi ang Taipei sa kabilang side. At yung shot na yun, silang dalawa ni Troy Rosario na big man with that touch
Yes.
from
Oo.
distance. Pareho sila sumusubok all week long. Ngayon lang nakapasok si Mo.
Yes, bago na kasi, no? Dati, mga big men, talagang pinagbabawalan tumira sa labas. Eh.
Kaya ba hindi mo dinevelop yan?
Oo nga, eh, sana, ano lang.
Wala lang.
Oo, mali lang yung panahon.
May luha. Hindi pa kasi sa tamang panahon. May luhang konti, Chad.
Oo. Pero ngayon, ano na, weapon na talaga yan, for big guys, especially sa international competition.
Nung huli ka nakalaro, jump shooter ka na.
Kailan yun?
Mga 2 years ago.
2 years na pa tayo naglaro.
Yung kalaban natin, mga babae. Ang galing mo nga nun. Lin Wei Han launches from the outside. Ramos para sa board. And these are the guys, arguably, that have to impress. Guys like Aldrich Ramos, And the rest of the end of the rotation, guys, sila yung dapat magpakita kahit na ganito na yung ating score.
That's correct. Kasi Aldridge naman, many-time member na rin ng national team yan and ng Gilas program. Eh, no?
Of course, he was part of that Gilas 1.0 pool.
Oo.
One of the latest scratches, ano? Uy. Inabot ng foul si Xiao Xunyi. Crosser was whistled for that one.
Third foul na kay Atkin Wallace Rosser for reaching in.
Pero hopefully, ano, eto si Calvin Abueva would be okay. Nakita natin, hard fall siya kanina
Yes.
first half. Hindi na ibinalik dito, Chard.
That's correct. You don't want to risk further injury. Malapit na yung FIBA Asia. No? You want your players healthy. Kaya nga, pinagpahinga na rin sila Terence Romeo. No? Lahat na may mga nararamdaman na aches and pains ay kailangan medyo ma-manage mo na ang kanilang minutes.
Hindi mo na muna isusugal, ano, kahit na sinasabing kaya naman. Kwentong Gilas Episode 4, yung part 2 po ng Paliparan. Pagkatapos natin dito sa TV5 with this game between Gilas and Chinese Taipei B, ito po ang ating matutunghayan. At over at Action TV, patuloy ang pagtutok naman natin sa Jones Cup. It will be Japan versus Russia. Diba? Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang ating pagtutok. And then the last two games of the day, Sports5.ph, pati yung awarding ceremony na malinaw pa naman siguro sa sikat ng araw ngayon. Mamayang alas 9, alas 9:30, silver medal ang igagawad sa ating Gilas Pilipinas. Uy! Kinain yung bola. Shin Wei-yu, bibigay sa kanyang kanan. They look for the long bomb once again. Naku, lamya naman ang pasa.
Oo, at nagandang intimidate rin itong mga young players na to. No? But, you know, this is what they're here for, to gain experience.
At yun yung makapofrustrate ka naman kung ikaw yung coach. You never give up dahil hindi naman inaasahan talagang kayo magkakampiyon. Kailangan lang lumaban kayo.
Tama. They may have been overmatched in this tournament, pero, you know, pagka yung mga kaedad naman nila, yung mga makalaban nila, mas lamang na sila.
Parang yun nangyari sa Gilas Cadets dati nung Southeast Asian Games. Ano? Mga mama kalaban.
Yes.
Kaya kita mo naman, ito sila Troy Rosario. Pagbalik,
Oo, mature na kagad.
grabe yung nilalaro. Pero doon nag-champion pa rin tayo. Yun ang kaibahan nun.
Yun ang kaibahan.
Foul whistled away from play. Rosario, chinecheck pa yung kanyang kanang balikat, ano? Pero mukha si Ramos na napituan dito. As a timeout is requested with 5 minutes and 10 seconds remain. Sama-sama nating suportahan ang Gilas Pilipinas sa kanilang huling tournament sa paghahanda para sa FIBA Asia Championships, Master Game Face MVP Cup, Gilas kontra Chinese Taipei, National Team at ang Wellington Saints ng New Zealand ngayong September 11 to 13 na po yan sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Buy your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph or call 911-5555. Laban, Pilipinas! Tayo. Parang ikaw lang, no? Pagka nagde-date ka ng araw.
Alin, yung kumakain.
Of course, everybody anticipating what is about to go down in the final day of competition. Dito sa 37th William Jones Cup.
Ano, nakaka 3 points pa lang sa score natin sa fourth quarter na to. Almost halfway through this fourth quarter.
Kaya naman mukhang nasermonan ng ating mga bata at nabuhayan bigla sa depensa.
Oo, at pinasok na rin yung si Gary David na mainit nung third quarter.
Ilang ginawa ni Gary ng third? 16
16.
of his 20 points, ano?
Yes.
Doon tayo nag-break away in the third quarter play. A silver medal finish is 5 minutes away, Chard. Naglaro tayo dito minus Andre Blatch, minus all kinds of issues in terms of personnel, kung sino pwede, sino hindi. Pero yung mga bata natin, ano, talagang iniiwan din naman lahat. on the floor of battle dahil syempre Pilipinas yung nire-represent mo. It may be a tune-up tournament, pero syempre may pride involved dahil Pilipinas nga ang nire-represent nila. Yung 16 na magigiting na manlalaro niyan, dapat lahat tayo bigyan silang pugay.
Oo naman. At maganda nga yung pinakita nila dito. Dahil nga unexpected rin naman yung pagkawala ni Andre Blatch. So, sudden adjustment yun for this team. And your character has been tested, no? Dahil nga yung sa isang laro na they were down by as much as 16 points nakabalik pa against New Zealand, no? At through overtime. At nasubukan din kagabi. Lumamang rin sila na malaki tapos sumabol yung USA. They kept their composure. Timely baskets by Sunny Tos sa endgame. And you know, ang di rin madaling gawin yun dahil nga sunod-sunod, araw-araw ang laro dito. So yung fatigue factor, kailangan mo rin i-consider.
Binanggit mo na kagabi rin yung chart, ano na, blessing in disguise, baka blessing in disguise yun na. We had it both ways. Tayo yung nag-comeback at tayo
Yes.
naman yung nabalikan, pero we both weathered the storms.
Tama yan. No? At you know, even nga yung pagkawala ni Andre Blatch, you know, because you have to be creative with your lineup. No? At least right now, these players know that they cannot just depend on one player alone. And I'm sure maraming na-discover itong si Coach Tam as you see that great block by Rosario sa depth nitong lineup na to, no? Nitong pool na to. And right now, you know, he knows what the strong combinations and, you know, yung mga limitations rin. Not only the strengths, but the limitations ng kanyang pool.
May mga nagsasabi, arguably, it's not the best lineup we could have sent. Hindi ito yung pinakamalakas dahil pati nga sa holdover sa 6 lang. Pero dyan mo nga maaasahan naman yung depth chart ng Pilipinas basketball. Yung kalidad ng basketball, yung talent level natin.
Well, yung nagsasabi rin kasi nun is because they're just looking at individual talents, you know. But it's not about individual talents, you know. It's a matter of who will play together and who will play well together. It's the best team that we're sending. It's not about the best individuals.
Gilas is looking to just wrap this one up. It's going to be a blessed Sunday for Philippine basketball dahil nga silver medal ang iuwi sa atin ng ating Gilas boys. This after being away from the Jones Cup for 2 years. 2012 nga po, ginto ang iniuwi natin dito.
So Renindel de Ocampo, pinasok pa rin ni Coach Tap Baldwin. Emphasizing, you know, it's not really about the score. You know, it's about, you know, still exploring and discovering for this coaching staff.
Pati yung proper combinations na pwedeng dukutin at any given point.
Ayun nga, sinabi yung one game, sabi nga, walang mga legitimate point guards, pero we can still be creative with our lineups.
As JC Intal gets that basket, may kasama pang foul. And put on the finishing touches. Nice assist coming from El Granada. Master Guapo move natin sa atin ng Master Face Club. Sikreto ng mga
Ang
guwapo.
maganda dito, I think everybody played well para sa ating Gilas Pilipinas. I cannot pinpoint a guy, you know, one individual that I could say na hindi maganda nilaro dito sa tournament na to because everybody had their, you know, flashes of brilliance, you know, and contributed to a cause. At kaya yun ang naging success ng pagsali dito sa tournament na to.
Pa isa maganda sa pagkakabalasa ng lineup, every game, iba-ibang 12 pinapadala natin from the 16. Everybody had their time to shine.
That's correct. Lahat nagbigyan nga ng opportunity.
Kahit si Troy Rosario nung game 1 against Chinese Taipei, that was last Sunday, siya lang yung hindi ginamit na naka-lineup, pero the succeeding games nakapagpakita rin naman siya.
Magpakita na rin siya.
90-65, nasa ating talakan. Going through the motions now for the silver medal finish, and we will be finishing at 6-2. Just one game behind yung mag-gold medal na Iran at 7-1. That should be an achievement in itself.
Oh yes, definitely. At saka, it opens the eyes of our, hindi ko lang alam kung positive, no? But it opened the eyes of our opponents on what the caliber of our team is na papadala natin. So, instead of being under the radar, ngayon, nandun na tayo sa radar ng mga kalaban.
Kasi nga, no, kompleto lineup o hindi, nakapag-silver ka pa rin behind that powerhouse Iran, who also played without Nika Barami. Ang balita natin, may hinihil lang na injury but Iran expects him back for the FIBA Asia Championships.
Yeah, it's going to be a really, really tough task ahead.
Yung Iran makakalaban natin sa round 2 ng FIBA Asia Championships. September 23 to 25 or 26, yun yung first round.
Oo.
Yun yung mga makakalaban natin, yung mga Palestine, yung mga kagrupo natin. Pagka nagsama-sama na tayo sa Group E, makakatapat na natin ang Iran. So binabaril natin doon either mag-E1 o mag-E2 yung positioning para sa knockout. Yung F4 o F3 ang makatapat. Baseline jumper is good para dito kay JC. Tatawag pa ng timeout ang Chinese Taipei. They also want to work on some things. Papatuloy natin ang ating pagtutok sa aming pagbabalik.
到这里，招一吧。做 diamond，
Coach Hu Chi Chao giving some last-minute instructions here with just a minute and 22 remaining in this game. Ganda naman ang upo nung nando doon sa likod ni Terence.
交了交了，交在这里。
Of course, kung gusto nyo pong makita at matunghayan ang lahat ng mga nangyari sa loob ng dugout, dyan sa loob ng huddles, hanggang sa mga hotel, hanggang sa mga pamamasyal ng mga paborito nating Gilas players, wag po kayo magmimintis sa ating serye na kwentong Gilas. Mamaya nga po part 2 ng paliparan ay ating matutunghayan. Tapos itong games na to, tsaka yung kapon, malamang next week natin mapanood yan.
Yung maganda rin, nakikita yung behind the scenes, no?
Inside pa, hindi na behind, hanggang sa loob talaga. Ating team in New Taipei City doing a solid job. Of course, nandiyan dyan sila Mike San Juan, sina Merv Villar, and Carlo Pamintuan. And our team in Manila will be putting everything they have together para nga maipalabas naman natin at ma-share natin sa lahat ng sumusubaybay at nagdadasal din kasabayan ng Gilas Pilipinas. Ramos on the attack. Iabot kay Rosser. Taipei still tightening up their defense. Rosser down the gut of the defense is foul.
Especially young players, gusto ng coach sila na you still maintain your discipline, no? Even regardless of the score.
At huwag rin kayong papababoy. Huwag naman kayo papadakdak. Namigay na lang ng foul, ano? Was clean from up top pero doon sa bewang may kapit. Tapos yung nasa harap, inabot din naman yung braso. Motao Tua making his way back into this game. Hopefully we get a thundering slam to cap off this Jones Cup stint. Yan na. Intal. Aantayin muna ang kanyang mga kakampi. Here's Ramos at the post. They want to get Aldridge going. Out to Intal. Si Ubra. The developmental team of Chinese Taipei will be going down winless in this Jones Cup, pero all kinds of lessons and experience naman ang kanilang nakuha as Gary David is expected to just dribble away the time here. Motao Tua, gusto pa yata ng isang highlight. Hindi na. Magagalit si Coach Tab niya. So ang ating Gilas Pilipinas 3.0, no Andre Blatch. Hindi lahat ng gustong player nakapaglaro. So many issues, so many talks para sa kanila. Pero no problem. Silver medal pa rin ang iuwi nila. Never underestimate the heart of the Filipino baller. Yan po ang kalidad ng Gilas Pilipinas.
More importantly, we got better with this tournament. Our preparations just got a big boost. We discovered a lot of things in this tournament. Of course, the biggest revelation here is Dennis Romeo and Calvin Abueva.
96-67 ang ating final score and Gilas Pilipinas will clinch the silver mamaya pong mga 9:30. Pagkatapos ng Korea-Chinese Taipei A game, ang ating awarding ceremony, matutunghayan nating live over www.sports5.ph. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas silver medal finishers sa Jones Cup.
Yeah, congratulations sa lahat ng bubuo ng ating kupunan dito nga sa Jones Cup.
Up next on Action TV, it is gonna be Russia kontra Japan dito naman sa TV5. Ating matutunghayan ang kwentong gilas sa ngalan ng ating buong team dito sa Sports 5 ng partner natin na si Richard De Rosario. Ako po si Magumarcia, nagpapasalamat sa inyong panonood. This has been a Sports 5 presentation of the 2015 William Jones Cup.